eat your food now?
Eat your food now? I'm gonna eat it. You want me to eat and talk?
You know how this, you can. But like if I wanted some, how would you say, let me have some?
Let me get some of that. Can I have some?
We did this one already? Beg you some now?
Beg her some no?
Beg you.
Beg you some
Beg you
no?
some now?
Beg you some no? Let me see if it's too high. Ooh.
Hey, Hottie.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. That's
Boss
a pizza for nice.
What did you think I'm gonna say? This pizza.
Busting.
Bussin'.
Busting.
If it's really good, you say it twice. Bussin'.
I learned that this morning from Miss Williams.
No way. All right.
Hey, y'all. We're like totally
Wagwan.
the video.
We literally just talked. Hey, all right. So the first one is a spanking or a whooping.
Flag.
Flog?
Flag.
Flag.
Flag. No, I'm a flag, yo.
F-L-A-G or
Yeah.
F-L-O-G?
Flag. Flag.
Ah?
Flag.
I'ma flag you.
I'm a flag, yo.
I'ma flag you.
Yeah.
Like your kids?
I'm licking in your face.
Licking your
Yeah,
face.
but you have to go so with you.
Hold on, that's how y'all get... Spanking is not in your face.
Depends. Jamaican,
Oh,
never
yeah.
know.
Y'all be slacking. Y'all be slapping kids in their face? I'ma flag the pitney in your face. Right?
Flag the picnic in your face.
You're right, that didn't make sense. You knew what I meant. All right, American math. Let me make it make sense. I'm gonna flag my picnic in their face.
You just said slap like that, man. Slap your thump.
Tomp. That's tomp.
No, thump.
That's
Thump
tomp.
is punch.
So what's this?
Flick.
If I say I'm finna thump you, that's
No, this is thump. Like punch. Thump is punch.
Y'all be beating them kids up, don't it? All right.
Our people.
Karma.
Abogayo.
Abogayo.
Yo, bogayo.
Are you saying yo, bugayo?
Abogayo.
Abogayo.
But
That's your
the
karma.
bad Jamaicans would use the F word. F for yo.
That's karma? So, like, if you do something bad to me?
You just say abogayo.
All right, so, abogayo. Okay. All right, next word. Prom. Where you going at the end of high school, right? The dance?
Yeah, but we don't have prom. We'll go ball.
Ball? Like the sneaker ball?
Like ball, yeah, we'll go ball.
Okay.
Not ball. Cause that,
Not Bali.
ball. Yeah,
Ball.
yeah.
Ball. Okay, ball.
Yeah, we'll go ball.
So y'all never ever use the word prom?
Pram is what? Is what the babies, you push the baby, that stroller. We say prom. The baby prom?
I'm gonna push my baby in the prom. That's literally how you do that. Can you go get the prom? We finna go to the prom. Okay. Because why not just use random words for things that they... Okay.
Because I prom.
Or like flag?
Flag.
Flag.
Boy, you drag out your ag.
That's what I say. Ah.
Yeah, not ah.
You're saying ah.
Flag. That better?
Flag.
Flag.
I hear it, but I don't hear it at the same time. Like
Lord.
astronaut?
Astronaut.
As-
Astronaut.
astronaut. Okay. Shopping bag. Shopping bag? You talking about what they put?
Like this, like
Like a grocery bag?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Like
Scandal bag.
scandal? Scandal bag?
Yeah, I think because the bag shows your business. It tells your business, like what's in the bag.
So any type of
Revealing bag.
clear bag is a scandal bag.
Scandal.
Scandal bag.
Yeah.
Scandal bag. So when you go to the grocery store and they're putting the groceries in the
Scandal.
scandal bag.
Scandal bag.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
True. All right, next.
What's that?
Poem. I don't say poem. Like people be saying poem.
Poem?
Yes, that's how some Americans say it, but I guess I'm country. Poem. All right, so poem.
We say poem. I literally heard crickets just now. Poem. Like prime.
How many?
Take out the R.
How many syllables does it have?
One.
The word poem has one syllable.
Where?
Pine.
But in natural English, when we do speak English, it's poem. Poem.
Poem.
But our poem or poem.
Pine. Read me a poem.
Read your poem.
Of Jamaican.
Who's your favorite poet?
I don't have no favorite. Me. I don't know. I don't have no favorite poet.
Maya.
I'm like, I don't want to say Maya Angelou because her poems don't be rhyming like that. I like rhyming poems.
She be like,
I like Shel Silverstein.
I like Maya. Maya be like,
Don't.
Larry. Well, I know. But you should be like, Larry, I love the way you talk. You can't even believe Jamaicans say fuck. Don't you cry, Levy Howard. Eat your pizza.
Please, my Albert. Probably
We have a Jamaican one. Her name Miss Lou. Yeah, Louise Bennett. We call her Miss Lou.
Miss Lou.
She be like, this long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Say that, Amir.
This long time,
Girl. Like, I
Me
haven't
never
seen you in a
see
long
you.
time, girl. Come let me hold your
come
hand.
let me hold your hand.
Yeah, you have to say, Miss Long Time. She always wears skirts like this, and you go like that. Miss Long Time, girl. Stop!
That's not a poet. That's a singer.
This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. This long time, girl, me never see you. Be like your
First part.
come make me hold your hand.
No, the first part.
Oh, this long time, girl, me never see you.
This long time, girl, me never see you.
Yeah.
Come let me hold your hand.
This long time, girl, me never.
Hold on. How she do it with the skirt? She pulling it up like that. How she do it?
This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Stop. No, I need the skirt too.
So like my African skirt, that would have been a good
Yeah.
one.
This long time, stop. This is the
I'm
camera.
sorry.
Peel drunk, see don't party that, pick up the blossom. Make me hold your hand, girl. Come make me hold your hand. Go eat my soup. Me noodle.
Miss Lou. Oh my God. I literally cannot. Long time since I seen ya, girl. Come let me hold. Yeah. No, literally, what did she say after that? That can't be the only lyrics.
Peel drunko.
Pila Drunko.
That's a lot to explain.
You know what I realized?
Wow.
The reason why I don't know what you're saying is because I don't see it. If you spelled it out, I could read it.
Peel head.
Peel head.
Yeah, that's what I'm called short hair people in Jamaica. You have a peel head. Peel head. Like if you have alopecia or bald head or short hair, peel head.
Peel head Rasta.
We have to sexy up the R.
Oops. Peel head.
Rhonda.
Peel head Rasta.
Hold on.
Rasta Judge. Rasta Judge.
This said it have chicken in them.
See? That's what I'm talking about. You heard it?
Livy.
You know. It have chicken, you know. What that is?
This look like goat head.
Go ahead.
Or malish. No. This is chicken?
You better read it. I don't know what that is.
Teriyaki chicken.
Flavor.
The chicken that look like him did dead. Long time before they find him. Look here.
Look at the chicken that look dead, you know.